morning. Hey guys, my name is Sinister, issue number 3. Let's go back on author, it says Sinister, the Super Sons. Yeah, my favorite book. Now, we don't talk Ultimate Machine, we're not going to know, I like Sinister. Sinister, the great Super Sons. As you all know by now, you know I'm not here. Johnny, let that go. No, I'm so pissed about that, let it go. That being said, this issue is a good story, it's fun, it's adorable, it's cute, and we'll talk about it. So, yeah, this is fun. Again, what's I mean by that? Well, you'll find out, you know. So, really, awesome issue. Yep. So, enjoy the show. See ya. Alright, as you can tell my intro, actually, you can tell you about this book so much. Why? You'll find out. Let's just start. The content is somewhat despair, and also in the belly of a whale. Yeah, you probably got to read issue 2 for that to make sense. I forgot that's so funny. Anyway, continue. Yeah, anyway, we see Gordon and Senator's son. Yeah, Senator. Yeah, full Senator. Yeah. Where are you coming up? Yeah. And then who the hell are you? Yep. I'm someone turn your ship. Yep. I've been through no way on some old space car with my plans. Yep. I said you put it down. Find out one break one arm. Yep. Look, don't let me tell you. I'm gonna black this ship foot and be on my way. Yep. Because I had wanted me to find you kids better get through your head. Yep. Made it Tom, the captain now. Yeah, wait, who made it Tom? Whatever, who cares? Yep. You know, bad side writing, part 3. Certain generals all Sinister. There, bad side writing. Dun. Yay! Continue. Next. Yep, me telling you. I wait years to escape this creature. The season start again. The body be free. Yep. If all that holding you here. Wait. Yeah, there you go. That holding you here, that chain around your waist. Why do you just blast it? Yep. The chain I'm doing, boy, is saving more time than I can count. And it looks like the muscle just reports out my ship. And it don't need blasting. Yep. Your ship, yep. Yeah, that makes sense, man. Yep. Who cares what I sent this 4 million? I haven't seen it made twice. Yep. Attack! Yep. Oh, that's funny. Yep. Me time there. That's all you got, kid. Yep. Sunset, why are you standing around board? Yep. Oh, I like to egg him down. Yep. Yay! That's right, yep. You go free to us, no persistent. Yep. Yep. Zap. You make me mad. Yep. Oh, that's funny. I love that so much. Well, it's not Super Sons. You know what? Fuck it. I don't care. I got something that's funny and I don't want to love it so much. Come here, damn it. Next. And, you made me matter. Yep. Yeah, astronaut. Yep. Nice hockey, punk. Yep. More news than that. Hey, my window. Yep. Don't move my Major, or I'll zap you. Yep. You can't on a man? I don't think so. Yep. Set the stun. We're leaving here like you were going to leave us. Yep. Let the old man. And go get out of here. Yep. Come on already. Yep. Good call, kid. We're telling you, man. What are you doing? Yep. What? Yep. Give me that. I'll just have him. What are you going to be anyway? Yep. That's not your business, little boy. That's how it works for people that are really unlucky for you to run into. I be careful with that man about you. Yep. Well, you're not me, so, yep. What an idiot. Oh, that's funny. Yep. Hey, I told you so, yep. Probably identifier. You're the only one who can fire. Yep. Yep, that's right. Yep. Point the power of water. Yep. Oh, that's funny. Yep. That's right, the fly-setting kid. My e-bus. My strength. I just super stuff like that, huh? Yep. And now my flying. Yep. Yep. You were grinding me, Lorzo. Yep. This creature went in. He probably your son. Yep. So. Yep. I go stronger than the close I am to your son. I can struggle to absorb, yep. Blah, blah, blah. I'm the normal beside home, kid. No sign bad for you. Got it. Your son, fool. Yep, noted. Okay. Let's clear, that should do it. Yep. Well, it's really great meeting you, but I here for old Melville son too. Yep. Melville. Then you get space roll. You're steady in. Never mind. Should we tell him about you know what? Stop being a kind of idiot. You're an idiot. This is funny. Yep. Tell me what? Nothing. So I'm going to tell him, have a good trip. Yep. I'll keep it along, but well, I don't trust you. Yep. I won't tell you either. Yep. See ya soon. Yep. I did it. Don't. Ooh, that's funny. Yep. Wait, what? But what? Shh. You're one thick-headed. Yeah. Cute. Really cute. I got Paul recognition. You got yes. The right voice recognition. Now I get it. Yeah. Fine on the same page. We are for the moment. Yep. I gotta have to take you after all. Yeah. Actually, I'm taking you to my ship. Yep. The ship is to me. I say we're going to Core Guard. Yep. Let's get out of here. Wait. I'll show you the way out. Yep. Like the show. We go through the mouth, of course. Almost on this idiot. I love you so much. You're so funny. You remind me of John. I said, unlike John, you were telling me when you go, ain't no bullshit! You're consistent. Why can't the Super Son back? I don't get it. I know let that go. Anyway, continue. Yeah, Major Tom said, go. We're not going out the way we came in, yep. Then where are, yep. Let's get going for it, yep. Uh-oh, yep. Yeah. Uh-oh, yep. Oh no, what's happening? Damn it, too late. Can't stand no bound, yep. No, I better stop being on. Yep. And, just gonna go to the sea. Yeah, oh. That can't be good. Hey, Louis, it's the party time, boys. Yep. Step fan, let's see. I don't want to say that. Oh, that's funny. And, yeah. Yeah, and they all fell. Yep. Oh, that's funny. And then to the ship. The ship! The worst one at the incident. Yep. It's going to hit me too. Okay, hold on. I'm shipping. Yep. I gotta get out of here. Yep. What are you doing? Don't leave. Help me. Yep. I know this. Great General Druzon. The heart of side of my legacy. My identity. It's not the fight. Whoop! And so, oh, shut up, boy! Stop freaking out! We just trying to grab my hand. Yep. And when he failed, no! Gotcha! Yay! Yep. Hang on tight. Yep. Alley-oop. And who's out there? Well, now it makes sense. Why you wear that chain around your waist? Yep. I was lucky to do it the first time. Oh, remember here one feet inside forces send anger to a jawbone. His jawbone, I mean. Me telling you. Been at a point on his feet, but always managed to ride the weight. Melvin small man, but he sure as hell ain't ever got to this feet. You took a big risk. Yes, he did. Yep. Thanks for saving me to tell him. Yep. Thanks. What thing to be thankful about? My ship is gone! My pilot win! I'm trying to set him on the way with you fools! I love it so much! It's so funny! Okay. Combined together! It's so funny! If anything to do, but Sinister would make the new John, and, James John Santa is the new Damien. And better more than that, that doesn't make sense, but it's kind of in reverse. Because, well, Sinister's son is like Damien, kind of sort of, but no power except for rings, and General Zod's son is kind of like John, except more evil, more edgy. Kind of like Vegeta, but maybe go Dragon Ball Z. Well, okay, maybe not on Vegeta, more like, Lettuce, maybe? Okay, now I know Lettuce. Yeah, I would make Vegeta, and kind of thing, you know, snack a finger, it's kind of like this. Kind of sort of, except only like a kid. That's funny. Anyway, yeah, continue. Next! And, Science well, get full with my decision right. But don't worry, Lloyd out, pal. I'm not gonna make them say again. Bah! You can't save my life. You now have to succeed. You failed. Pure and simple. You don't want me, you're scared, need someone. Oh, this is funny. Yeah. Weavius, go ahead, Dad, if not for the Captain Tom Bells, Major Tom. Okay, whatever. I stand corrected. Major Tom Bell, pointing through circuit trick and doing, yep, all the saving. Dad, you boy, little shit. Yep. How about my next trick? I just touch it on the little bar right enough to drop all over this shit. You dare fight me? I saw how you on with body harm. Well, out for it, yeah. You do nothing. It's a power to all component. Oh, this is something of it, yep. It's a cool jet here. It's a cool jet for what about Zolad. That's funny. You can knock me once. When I get my power back, sweet man. If you get your power back, I'll mock you even more. Alright, enough of this. Let's gather way out, Major. Try for years, kid. Zip. Yep. Highest creature even breathe. I mean, it lives in space and can go underwater. Got good culture of look at lungs and gill system. They're special. It's a member entire physiology. It breathes hydrogen and some kind of special skin. How can I not hurt this creature? Good question! That's my question there. Why I don't know the creature? Yeah. And Major turns out. Never the world wanted to live the space war. No one ever lived to tell the tale of seeing one. And Hypergen went totally happy and well in the time stream. It brings in and out at the oddest moment and can spoil just about anything. Case in point, us. Can we kill it from the inside? Good question. No one killing any. They're a rare species. That's just doing what it is nature. We got his word over a long time. How do you turn out to be quite sensitive? Yeah. Remember for a minute? Yeah, good. The one you all wear on every planet feel. Yep. Being hunted. Bleed on! The end! Oh shit! Pirates in space! I can't wait. The end! Yep. Well, we're also on comic. I got some fun. I got it! Yep, that's the comments. Yep. Woo! What do I? Yep. What? This? The Sinister has been a space pirate, but bandit with vampire space bites? What does this mean? How will the Sinister get out of the space world? Will they ever succeed? Will they fail? What does it mean? What does it mean? What's up in the Sinister sun? Will they succeed? What does it mean? Who knows? The comment anyway. Give me that next. Who knows? What is next time? Sinister channel. Sinister time and the comments. Yep. I can tell how long we got down. You can tell you about this book so much. Why? You'll find out. What's this dog? What's the dog say about? Vascular complaint. Vascular jumping obviously. My bad. The dog is really good. I love the art style between all the characters between adorable. I love science and the character was great. I love folks' design pretty cool. And all the characters are great. The art is great. Perfection. 10 out of 10. A+. All great, I'll give it a name of all great, all great, perfection, 10 out of 10, A+. I go to all the kids, all the kids, meeting, all great, perfection, 10 out of 10, A+. Yes, it's not the same as Super Sense. I'll make that, but you know what? Fuck it. I don't care! I thought all Super Sense was a bullshit bending his throat on the table, not doing anything to make it worse. I got to not do a good replacement. It's not the same, but better than nothing. So you know what? Fuck, I don't care. The all grade all grade perfection 10 out of 10 A+. The category the academy all grade perfection 10 out of 10 A+. All grade all grade perfection 10 out of 10 A+. All grade perfection 10 out of 10 A+. Yeah, that's what I meant. All grade perfection 10 out of 10 A+. Yeah. Okay. Now that we got out of the way, we'll tell the story. The story is actually very adorable. I actually like the Sinister Sons of the Great Kids. While they're not the same John Name, maybe not the Super Sons, I wish they're kind of a polar opposite of the Super Sons. Because yet the villain, the son of villain is that's adorable. They don't work together at all, they hate each other. But that's the point. The villain, they're always some assholes. And it's actually adorable the two kids trying to get out to do it even though they hate each other. And I can really see how they try to get out to do it. It's really cute, funny, and pretty adorable. You know what? fuck, look at the Warzone. I tell you Warzone a sec. Yeah, can I say, Warzone, my member, I made an idiot. She's actually an adorable idiot, and I do like this character. Well, he's not the same way to Chris Cannon, I'll admit that, and that doesn't make sense. We lost Chris Cannon with a bullshit wedding, which, again, I bring more, I think, more new for two, not new for two. I bring more, you like the hang at either of a bullshit and I let that go. But other than that, John okay, they both got age of crappy lighting, garbage. But at the same time, I kind of like the new Chris Kent. He's not the same as OG Chris Kent, I'll admit that, but fuck it. I don't care. He's adorable, he's funny, he's cute, and he is kind of an asshole, but he's funny, he's adorable, he's cute, and I love it so much. It may not be the same, as John, but you know what? Fuck it, I don't care. He's just funny, and I'm not just see more can make sense in the future. He may not be John Kent or another girl, but fuck it, he's funny and he's a good kid. I'm Sinister son. Sinister son, I'm a good kid. He's a smart asshole, he's adorable, and I may choose out the rest of in the future. Now, obviously, we don't know what happened to the next Sinister son because we don't know how many of them next, but some of the stories over. After we adore him trying to get the giant space whale, it's funny. I love it so much, it's pretty cute. I can make it Tom. Make it a good character, and I'm not guessing how they never work together in the future. Well, if they work together, because remember, they still hate each other. Well, okay. Technically speaking, I think more like General Zod and Sinister Son hate each other. Me and Tom just want to get out of the space wheel. Which I don't blame him, after going to all this shit. Yeah, I'd like to leave the world because this place sucks. Like, that space wheel is about to get eaten. Heck, even John and she was here, they always were fall to death. Literally. It's pretty funny. And if I go into Tom's side, I would do that thing. It's funny. Speaking of shit, you know what? Fuck it, let's get an ending itself. Heck. Yeah, the ending's actually interesting so far because apparently we're gonna do a space pirates, and if that's the case, I think that's gonna be fun. I'm super excited to have next in the Suns. Yes, it's not the Sun Super Sun, but you know what? I'm excited to have an extra next pirate set in card mode. That's adorable, and I'm excited to have next with the Sin Suns. Now, obviously, we don't know how we'll have the series because again, the series might mean this start now. I can't know how it's gonna last, but it's the thing I want to it's a year. I'll be happy carrying maybe more at this time. Super Sun is a successor. If it succeeds, maybe I can get back Super Sun in the future. I know that's me a pipe dream. I know that's me whistle thinking, but you know what? Fuck it. I don't care. I need something that do only make me happy and fun. And there's so much bullshit. The last couple of years, I really like saying that's fun. It's a kid that Super Sun. Tomorrow, you know what he's doing. He's a great writer. I trust him way more than anyone he did. I trust him to be a good writer. And I'm super glad to have it next. It's not Super Sons, but you know what? Fuck it. I don't care. It's a great book. I can't see it next. Overall, it is a great book. I'm super glad to have it in Space Pirates. And I'm going to have it next. Where's he? Oh, yeah. By the way, issue 4, we do know Sinister is going to be involved with me, so the Sinister is going to be Sinister for me, which I'm very excited about that for all we get out with all Cat Williams. I'm so excited about that. More because, after that, we're going to see it, Sinister and, Sinister and the rest is, of this team, mean Sinestro. And I'm very excited to see how that would happen. It's 10 fun. Well, this is a great book. Highly check out me. Go check it out in a minute. Go check it out in a minute. Go check it out in a minute. Right? Don't get me wrong. It is book Super Sons. No, it's not. Papa. No. Hell no. But I think my Sinister Son and Super Son have a lot in common. One, they're about two kids actually trying to be a team. Well, kind of, sort of. One, actually the Super Son of Batman with a minimum adorable. The other one, the son of General Zod and of Sinister. Well, not the same dynamic. It's so fun, I didn't know what the hell they're doing. Tomorrow's in a good order, and I'm not just here with the main series. This series, I mean, is a great success Super Son, it's a good companion piece, and I'm super excited to see that with the main series. Look, it's not Super Sons. I admit that, but you know what? Fuck it. I don't care. I got so much nonsense over the last couple of years having John Ada with bullshit. I got a sequel series that don't understand as this year Super Son. I got something that's good. It's not the same, but it's better than nothing. At the end of the day, all I want is a good book. I got a good book so far. This book is any part of me be happy. I'm a happy camera. I can't wait to have it next. But until then, we'll see you. It's not Super Sons, but you know what? Fuck it, I don't care. It's a great book. I highly recommend it. Book out. You go buy it. Support Spread the Word. Go support. Live by Higher Minute. Go spread the word. Go check out Higher Minute. Go check out Higher Minute. But what all? I think we're reading. Alright, we are latest Sinister, issue number 3, Start From Below by Spaceman Foe. Hey, that rhymes. Yep. I was on the day. Bye, perfecting A-Play. If fans Super Son, buy this book. Fans Sinister, buy this book. Trade the thing away. This is a great book, an awesome book, ton of fun, great automatic and run, and I love this book, and I can't see how they're going to make it in team. Now, Josh put the team will fight the Super Son in the future. As much as I want that to happen, what I do, part of me is going to be disappointed that it's not going to happen because, well, I was in junk and ate but bullshit! I know where that go. Like I said, guys, to see that's good. And hey, that's good enough for me. I'm really happy with that. Okay, next, we'll see. But, we'll probably get there. But anyway, we'll talk. I think it's bored. Oh no. That's time you I can see inside issue number 3. Put it on comment mode. Do you have an awesome book? Do you like it? Do you hate it? I'm watching a video on Twitter. You comment show to God. We'll get back on sorry. If you guys share the web, I'll talk about it. Oh no, so do my view at the ultimate world called Doom Writing with the yes, I got that book right. I will read that book. I know I haven't been there, sorry, because I lost everybody about that book, so leave it that. But we're gonna get that. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed this book. Like I said, spread the word, and I'll talk about it. Alright. That's how you are seeing this issue number 3. Put your own comment in my zero awesome book. Do you like? Do you hate it? I'm also gonna be on Twitter. You know, comment, chat, start tweeting the bell, kind of awesome. Sorry. Once again, share the web. I'll Hawkeye there. Okay, send the sense. Send the sense. Warning. How do you feel about Super Saiyan Sinister crossover? Do you mean have you really good or really bad? But I think it'll be amazing, but that's me. Put on comment. I'll Hawkeye there. Okay, Super Saiyan. Well, Sinister.